Did you know one healthy lemon tree can produce fruits for more than 15 years? Yes, one planting decision can give you long-term returns. So let's understand how lemon farming actually works. Today, we're exploring the fresh and profitable world of lemon farming. Simple, practical, and perfect for beginners. Let's squeeze out the essentials. Choosing the right lemon variety is the first step towards success. Eureka lemons produce fruits almost year-round with very few seeds. Lisbon is similar, but more tolerant to cold climates. And Meyer lemons, slightly sweet, are a hybrid with excellent market demand. Lemons love warm, sunny weather and well-drained sandy loam soil. The ideal soil pH ranges between 5.5 to 7.5. Avoid waterlogging and protect plants from strong winds and frost. Early spring is the best time for planting lemon saplings. Maintain 4.5 to 6 meters spacing between plants. Plant at the same depth as the nursery, not deeper. Consistent watering is important, especially in the early years. But remember, too much water can cause root rot. Use nitrogen-rich fertilizers for healthy growth and better fruiting. Regular pruning improves air circulation and sunlight penetration. Common pests include aphids and citrus leaf miners. Integrated pest management and organic sprays work best for long-term safety. Lemons are ready for harvest 6 to 9 months after flowering. They should look glossy, firm, and fully yellow. Always use sharp shears. Gentle harvesting protects future yield. Lemon farming is a rewarding journey. Low maintenance, steady income, and constant demand. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture.